In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Printify pop-up store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Setting up your Printify pop-up store is the first step, but promoting it is where the magic happens. One of the best things about having a pop-up store is the opportunity to create urgency and excitement around your products. So, let's talk about some effective strategies to get the word out and attract customers. First, utilize social media platforms. These platforms are essential in today's digital world. Create business accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, as they are visually driven and can drive a lot of traffic to your store. Start by sharing engaging content. Post behind-the-scenes shots of your design process, sneak peeks of your products, and even customer testimonials. Remember, authenticity is key. Share your story. Explain why you chose to create your pop-up store and what your brand represents. This creates a personal connection with your audience. Next, utilize hashtags smartly. Research popular and relevant hashtags in your niche. For example, if your pop-up store focuses on pet supplies, use hashtags like #doglovers and #catmerch. This helps you reach a wider audience interested in those topics. Aim for a mixture of highly popular hashtags and some niche-specific ones. A mix can help optimize your reach. You should also consider running targeted ads on social media. Both Facebook and Instagram have excellent ad tools that allow you to target your audience based on interests, location, and demographics. Promoting your posts can increase visibility and send potential customers directly to your pop-up store. Even a small budget can go a long way if you target the right audience. Apart from social media, email marketing is another powerful tool. Start building an email list as soon as possible. You can offer an incentive for signing up, maybe a discount or a freebie. Once you have your list, send regular newsletters that showcase new products, upcoming sales, or special events in your pop-up store. Emails are direct and personal, allowing you to share exclusive content that isn't available elsewhere. Next up, collaborate with influencers. Find influencers in your niche who may be interested in promoting your pop-up store. Many influencers will be open to partnerships, especially if you offer them a commission or free products for their followers. Just make sure to choose influencers whose values align with your brand to maintain authenticity. Let's not forget about local promotion. If your pop-up store is location-based, consider reaching out to local community groups, websites, or blogs that focus on local businesses. Share your story with them, and you might get featured. You could even partner with other local businesses that complement yours. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, teaming up with a local fashion boutique can help you catch each other's customers. You could also consider hosting events or workshops in your pop-up store. This not only brings foot traffic, but also engages customers in a meaningful way. People love experiences, so whether it's a DIY workshop, product launch, or even a Q&A session about your brand, it's an excellent way to build community and loyalty. Of course, don't shy away from leveraging SEO for your pop-up store's website. Optimize your product descriptions and blogs with keywords that potential customers might be searching for. Write engaging blog posts related to your niche to establish yourself as an expert and drive organic traffic to your site. Lastly, encourage word of mouth. Offer your customers incentives for referring friends to your store. Happy customers will likely talk about their purchases, and this can lead to organic growth for your pop-up store. So there you go. These strategies will help you promote your Printify pop-up store effectively. From great social media practices to local networking and SEO, there are many ways to get your name out there. Remember, consistency is key, so keep engaging with your audience and be open to experimenting with different strategies. Good luck, and I hope to see your pop-up store flourish. Don't forget to subscribe and like